Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Jacobson here to do a project with you in order to learn about cool colors and warm colors. And we're going to be making a winter hat and mittens. Today you will need a piece of paper, a pencil, and something to color with. It could be crayons, markers, or colored pencils. Let's start by looking at this color wheel. You can see the line cuts it in half so that the top part is warm colors and the bottom part is cool colors. Pay attention to which ones are which. The artist Vincent van Gogh was famous for his use of warm colors and cool colors in his work. He painted this portrait of himself. This is how he looked, but he used mostly cool colors, blues and light greens in order to paint it. Compare how that looks to his famous painting of 15 sunflowers. Look at the warm colors he uses in this one, in the yellows, oranges, and reds. His most famous painting is Starry Night. What kind of colors does he use in the sky? What kind of colors does he use in the land? And how about the moon? We're going to start today with a thin white paper and a pencil. Start near the middle of the paper and you're going to draw a long and skinny oval. Make it very thin and skinny. Next, draw two curved lines that come up to a point at the top. Think of it like a curved triangle. This is the shape of the top of the hat. If you want to, you can add a circle or a ball on top of the hat. You could even use a puffy cotton ball shape, like I did. Next, you're going to draw a horizontal line across the hat. This is going to be like the brim of the hat, but we want it to look like a winter hat. So I'm adding some horizontal lines across it as well. Next, we're going to draw two mittens. I start like the shape of an oval, but don't forget a smaller oval for the thumb shape. I'm going to use the same shape of two ovals to do the right mitten, but this time I'm going to put the thumb on the inside. The thumbs can really go on either side, and your shape of mitten doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Next, I will add two more skinny ovals at the bottom of each mitten. This makes it look hollow, like you could put your hand inside the mittens, and that there's empty space inside the hat as well. Now I added a curly line connecting the two mittens together. Next, be as creative as you want with adding some details and designs to your hat and your mittens. You could use some of your favorite shapes to add some designs. You can also add some different lines that we learned how to draw. Straight lines, zigzag lines, wavy lines, cloud lines. What other lines can you think of? Be creative and try some new things. There's no right or wrong way to add your lines and designs. Now we're going to add our color, but follow directions carefully. You're going to color in your thin, skinny ovals with a gray or black color. This will give it a shadow so that it looks like the inside of the hat and mittens. Your next challenge is to make the left mitten colored all in warm colors. So think about colors that feel hot, like the sun, yellow, orange, red, pink. Even a yellow-green is considered a warm color. You can even mix a few of these together. Think of the colors of the sunset as your warm colors. Now you are only going to choose cool colors to color in your right mitten. Think about the colors of the ocean. Think of colors that remind you of cold, like blue, green, purple, and indigo. These are our cool colors. Try mixing a few together and see which ones look good next to each other. Notice how I use some dark blue and light blue, dark green and light green. There's many different shades of cool colors you could use. And now for your final challenge. Can you use all of the colors of the rainbow to color in your winter hat? I'm going to try to use the colors of the rainbow in order. I use the name Roy G. Biv to help me remember them. R stands for red, O stands for orange, Y stands for yellow, G stands for green, B stands for blue, I stands for indigo, and V stands for violet. I colored them in that order for my winter hat. I can't wait to see how your warm and cool winter mittens and your rainbow hat turn out. Don't forget to upload a picture so I can see it. Have fun!